Welcome to another video. So today we have an exponential equation, a very amazing one, given that x raised to power x is equals to 9 raised to power x plus 9. So we are required to predict the actual value of x. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, watch up to the end, turn your notification on. So straight away on the solution part, I'm going to apply the laws of indices, given that x raised to power x should be equals to, that is 9 raised to power x multiplied by 9 raised to power 9. Recall that wherever you have a raised to power n plus m, this can be written as a raised to n multiplied by a raised to power m. Next step, I'm going to collect the powers x together. So I'm going to divide all these by negative x. 9 raised to power x divided by 9 raised to power x, so that I end up with x to the power x divided by 9 to the power x should be equals to 9 to the power 9. This implies that when you have a raised to power n over a raised to power, or rather b raised to power n, this can be written as a single fraction or a single power as a over b raised to power n. Since this is n and this is n, I'm going to apply that here so that I end up with x over 9 raised to power x is equals to 9 raised to power 9. So next step, I'm going to pre-multiply the powers by 1 over x on both sides, so that I end up with this and this cancels, and then I'm going to have x over 9 is equals to 9 raised to power 9 over x. So it is clearly easy to see that x over 9, 9 over x. This is the reciprocal of this. So I'm going to let x raised to power 9 should be equals to m, so that 9 over x will now be equals to 1 over m. Replacing that here, I'm going to end up with m is equals to 9 raised to power 1 over m, like that. Next step, I'm going to take this power m, 1 over m on this side, by pre-multiplying by m. On this side, I'll also multiply by the power by m, so that this and this cancels, and then I'm going to end up with m raised to power n should now be equals to 9. Nice. Then this implies that I need to write 9 in terms of its power form, which is the same as 3 by 3, or 3 to the power 3 squared So at this particular stage, I'm going to introduce logs on both sides, so that I have m to the log of m should be equals to the log of 9, the log of 9, then m to the log of m. I said 9 can be written as 3 squared, so that this becomes the log of 3 power 2. Next, m, the log of m is equals to 2 to the log of 3. Next step, I'm gonna divide the logs on both sides so that I have m divided by 2 should now be equals to the log of 3 divided by the log of m, so that I have m over 2 is now equals to, I'm going to write this as a single log using the log of 3 to the base m, like that, so that this to the power this is equals to this. I'm going to end up with m to the power m over 2 should now be equals to 3. But recall that my m was x over n. So wherever I have m, I'm going to introduce x over n. So let me see. This one becomes x over 9 multiplied by, here I have x over 9 divided by 2 should be equals to 3. Which when computed I'm gonna end up with the x over 9